Guys, while all the meme coins are rallying and everyone thinks the bull market is over, it isn't gonna come. Bitcoin's going down, guys. The big guys are loading up on the real utility projects, guys. And I love meme coins just as much as the next degen. But real world assets is going to change the world as we know it. Tokenization of everything is coming on the blockchain. Blockchain is the new way. And I firmly believe real estate is going to be the leading sector with tokenization and real world assets via NFTs, guys. In this video, I want to go over the correlation between real world assets and DeFi. It doesn't make sense to buy a real world asset that is an NFT with a loan from Bank of America. No, it'll be purchased with DeFi platforms. So I believe these go hand in hand. And I believe for that reason right there, people are underestimating DeFi, guys. In this video, I want to go over my two favorite plays, one being real world assets and the other being DeFi, guys. These are both at great values in my personal opinion. We're going to get into all of that and more, but first I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. But if you're not subscribed, please pause the video, please hit subscribe, hit that bell notification. Now let's get into the video, guys. The first token I want to talk about is Propy, guys. Propy is awesome. If we go take a look at their website right here, very clean website, 24/7 real estate closings, guys. Real world assets will make absolutely everything quicker, cheaper, and no BS, guys. Okay, they're wanting to tokenize everything from the NFT on the deed to the NFT on the address to absolutely everything, guys. Look at all these homes they have listed here, and it is not just talk, guys. Grant Cardone, I'm sure everyone knows Grant Cardone, listed his $42 million property in Bitcoin, minted on base chain via Propy Keys, guys. I do not think this token is going to be at this price for long. When we take a look at it, it hit a high of almost $4, and now it is currently at $1.37. So if we take a look at that, it is down approximately 65%, and I think we're getting pretty close to the bottom. You can see after these other little pumps, it instantly went down, versus this had a pump, and we're really kind of consolidating right here, guys. It looks really good. We're kind of in this little channel right here, and it looks really good. We're just waiting on that Bitcoin to pop off. Now, out of AI, real world assets, and everything else, real world assets is doing the best this year besides meme coins, guys. And it looks like real world assets is super underperforming, up 215% compared to almost 1900% from meme coins, guys. You degens. But seriously, guys, real world assets is not just a talk, it's a real thing. You have big players like BlackRock wanting to tokenize $10 trillion worth of assets. Earlier in March, they made a bill with Securitize aiming to tokenize $10 trillion in assets, guys. Let me just put that in perspective for y'all. The total crypto market cap is 2.3 trillion. So that's a 4x of the crypto market cap in tokenized real estate very soon. That's almost 10x the market cap of Bitcoin, guys. This is going to happen extremely fast. When we look at minted addresses and cities and stuff, you can see this city has almost 1,200. New York has 434. LA has 300, and that's just within the last 30 days. And Propy has a promotion going on with Coinbase, and it's one of those things where you can get free Propy if you mint an address and you do this, that, or the third. But it's really cool. BlackRock's into real world assets. Grant Cardone's talking about it, and this isn't anything new with Propy, guys. If we take a look, they even have one of the biggest people in all of stocks and someone I highly respect in Bitcoin as well, Kathy Wood. She's the CEO of ARK Invest. She's very big into Bitcoin, Tesla, things like that. And so I think Propy is extremely undervalued right now compared to the rest of the market, guys. But remember, I'm just a guy that's slightly a degen and loves finance. So don't take anything I say as advice. But when you look at this, they have a very great platform. And I think real estate will be the number one thing with real world assets. And it's just a matter of time, guys. It's just a matter of time for this meme coin craze and the scaredness of Bitcoin going to zero and all the FUD around that. Once Bitcoin takes off, guys, once the Ethereum ETF is approved, these are going to fly, I believe, guys. But how do you buy real world assets? Do you call up your bank and get a loan and wait 45 days? That's dumb. No, DeFi. And I think the best DeFi platform is Maple Finance, guys. And it's not just me saying it. Let's back it up with on-chain data. So this is Token Terminal, guys. I really love this platform. And if we take a look over here, let me move this over for y'all. You can see that right here on the homepage, active loans. Maple Finance is number 5, up 3.5%, guys. And when we look at all the other categories, they are doing extremely well. They're in like the top 15 of absolutely everything. If we come over here and we just type in Maple, and I'll teach you guys how to use this. It's a really good platform for looking at on-chain data. Trading volume up 72% the last 30 days. Token holders up almost 3%. Deposits up almost 15%. Their fees they get is up 20%. The fees within the last 30-day percentage is up 35%. Expenses at 0. Revenue up 21%. Earnings up 35%. Guys, Maple is a very big player and the real deal when it comes to this stuff. You know, when you look at what they have to offer, they have different kind of lending pools, stable coin lendings at 20% APY, altcoin secured lending at 10%, corporate credit at 11, cash management at 5. But when we look at the price action, it was down at the $5 mark during most of the bear market. Then it came up and it was around this $10, $12 range. And then we had that run up back in March when real world assets were really hot. And because of that, I'm telling you, DeFi is going to be hot, guys. It's exactly when Propy shot up, guys. When Propy shot up, it was the same time. Back in March, if we take a look, that's exactly when this article was released, March 21st. BlackRock, real world assets, guys, these are going to go hand in hand. It hit a high of $35. And in my personal opinion, it is holding very strong. They had a lot of volume yesterday. It shot up for $12 to $15 and has now went down and consolidating right here around $13, guys. But Propy Keys is my number one real world asset play for real estate. They're already partnering with big people. They listed Grant Cardone's $42 million mansion and accept payment in Bitcoin. BlackRock's talking about real world assets. They had a AMA or a Twitter X Spaces with Kathy Woods, guys. And Maple Finance is one of the leading DeFi platforms. And when you look at this, it's sitting at a $56 million market cap and 506 in overall. Okay, 506 in overall market cap, guys. And this is 291 in overall market cap for Propy. So these both have a long ways to run, guys. But let me know, what do you think about real world assets and DeFi? Do you agree with me that they go hand in hand? Let me know which ones I might have missed. I know a lot of you love Rio and I love it too. I'm not saying the others suck. I'm just saying these are my favorite, guys. But if you're not a part of the Freeman and Finance family, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Watch this video up above. Have a great day.